Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Joya and you are watching my channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can limitize your background data. So without wasting your time, let's start today's topic. Tap at settings, scroll it down, tap at additional settings. Now find the developer option, tap at developer option. Now scroll it down, find the option background process limit. Tap at background process limit. Now you can see the options no background process, at most one process, at most two process, at most three, and at most four process. Now tap at no background process. Like this, you can easily manage this problem. I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends. Thanks for watching.